My grandma told me a story when I was 12. So my grandma lived in a joint family with my uncles and others. They lived in a building which was around 4 floors long. They were in 3rd floor. So they often noticed that someone is running on the rooftop and they could hear the footsteps. Sometimes they noticed that someone is walking and it sounds like their legs are attached with a chain or something. The sound was like a chain and the walking footstep sound. So my grandma and my uncles were so worried about it and they couldn't find out what was that. Then one night they heard the same sound and everybody was prepared for the night. They called each other, took so many torches and went to the rooftop together. But they didn't get anything and so disappointed. Also some of them got so scared about this. They were thinking who was doing this if there is no one at the rooftop? They couldn't find any answer and went home. After that night the same thing happened several times in that building.